Are your WhatsApp calls not ringing on iPhone? Here's how to fix it. First, make sure your ringer switch on the side of the iPhone is turned on. If you see orange, silent mode is enabled. Flip it forward to turn sound back on. Next, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Then, scroll down and tap WhatsApp. And make sure Allow Notifications is on. Also, check that Sounds is enabled, so calls actually ring. Then, open WhatsApp. Tap on Settings. Then, scroll and tap Notifications. And confirm that both message and call notifications are turned on. If it's still not ringing, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. And make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb is turned off. And finally, open Settings. Then, tap General. Then go to the background app Refresh. And turn it on for WhatsApp, so calls come through even when the app isn't open. After these quick checks, your WhatsApp calls should start ringing normally again. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me keep making quick iPhone tips for you.